Okay, I just finished up the Wagner motor yesterday and put it under the table here on its cart. Here's some parts for the Champion compressor. These are the tank clamps and the table mount. The bolts for the table go up here, and the stay bolt goes to the other bracket on the other side here. These have got a coat of paint on them. They're going to get one more coat. Here's the compressor. Here's another pop off. I degreased it and de-oiled it today. The plan is for this to put this back on the table. The table's down to bare metal. Put the compressor and reassemble it on the table with the table not painted to see if the compressor actually will pump air. I don't know if it pumps air or not. The motor has to be cleaned up big time. Anyway, here's the table. Oh, there's a serial number stamped in the top of the compressor that matches the brass tag on the table. Here's the tank. It passed hydrostatic test a couple of weeks ago. This is going to be silver. This I cleaned it up with solvent, and the solvent practically took all the black paint off of it. But the mill scale is kind of on the thick side and splotchy all over the place. So this is just going to be just brush painted with aluminum paint. You'll see some marks here. These are witness marks for the edges of the clamps. Clamp the tank together and hold the top up. I learned to mark the tank through experience a couple years ago with another compressor I did. I didn't mark the tank where the straps went, and it was a hassle. This is look how rough this braze is inside there. Anyway, this is a 14 by 48 model compressor. So, like I said, I'm going to reassemble the tank and the clamps, put the top on unpainted, and then reassemble the whole compressor. Here's the motor. I don't believe the motor is as old as the Wagner motor, because this is a felt oiled shaft or felt oiled motor. Has the oil cups. This is kind of like almost sealed. A lot better than the Wagner was, but this one is really dirty. I don't know if it's the original motor. I think it could be. But just by looking at the amount of dirt in it, it could be 90 years of dirt in that thing. But anyway, I know it runs. It tested it. No shorts anywhere. Here's the tag. Anyway, this is going to get cleaned up and checked out. And then, like I said, I'm going to put everything back on the unpainted shelf and see if the compressor will pump air. I can work on the compressor with it on the shelf, you know, hooked up to the motor. You know, easy enough if I got to work on it to see if it pumps air. Right now, there's no compression. So I don't know if the valves are stuck or what. Okay, thanks for watching my video.